What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you all can see by the title and my bright look that I got going on, it is all about the color pink today. Now, you know, I know it's Halloween and I was gonna do a outfit, but I decided, you know, let me do something different, something more impactful besides just putting on a costume for a day and, you know, people forgetting about it tomorrow. So I decided to do a breast cancer inspired makeup and hair look today. You know, I wanted to do something impactful and meaningful, and this also is a little personal for me too. So I hope you all enjoy this video, and I will see y'all at the end of the video. But I'm just gonna go in and follow my natural eyebrow shape. Just like that. First simple line. Just gonna outline it. And then I'm gonna connect. Alright. Now I'm just gonna take this remaining concealer and clean up my eyebrow. Alright, y'all, that is it for the eyebrows. We looking nice and bright and pink. And before I go any step further, I just want to say shout out to all my breast cancer survivors and thrivers, and shout out to those that are still in the fight, in the battle. You know, shout out to y'all, and y'all deserve more than just 1 month. I'm just saying. But yeah, so I think I'm going to keep the eyeshadow neutral, just because I do want to add some big lashes, so I'm not going to even do too much with the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to take that same brush and powder from earlier that I used and just set my eyes real quick. And I'm actually going to use that same brush, and I'm going to take a nice brown chocolatey shade. Don't judge my palette, y'all. I know I gotta re-up, but I don't do makeup all the time, so yeah. But I have to guess I can re-up for y'all. But I am going to apply my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, and then we're gonna come back and get to the wig. But I do want to show y'all the lashes that I'm wearing. Ooh. And I am gonna link these lashes down below because, oh my gosh, y'all, these things right here is popping. I wore some in my last video. Well, my last video that I put up. Y'all, those eyelashes are the freaking bomb. So definitely check out the description box for these lashes. And I'll be right back. So, I already got my hair slicked back. Got a wig cap on. And this is the lovely wig. Pink wig that I'll be working with. And as y'all can see, I tried to incorporate both colors into the look with the eyebrows and the lip gloss. So, I think I did good. But I actually am going to try my best to find the information on this wig, because I did get this wig last year for my birthday, so I don't have the packaging anymore that it came in. But I am going to try to link a wig down below similar to this. So just so that way y'all can see the construction of the wig, it is a lace front wig. You have a little bit of lace at the front of the wig. Got 2 combs in the front and then a comb in the back. You also have adjustable straps in this wig, and I'm just going to adjust those real quick and get the wig on my head. I am going to use the 2 combs in the front just because This wig, the only thing that I didn't like about this wig, the lace parting section was not that big at all. Like, it's literally an inch. So you don't have that much party space to work with, because as y'all can see, the part that I did have was really short, but we're gonna finesse that and finagle that. So I'm just gonna pop the wig on my head, starting with the back. I had to think for a second. So I'm just placing that back comb in the bottom. Oh, snap, sucky now. Ow. I don't even got the wig on and I'm feeling myself, y'all. So the first thing that I am gonna do, just to tame it a little bit, I'm going to take some oil moisturizer. It doesn't matter what brand, just some regular oil moisturizer. I'm not gonna take a lot, just a little bit, about this much. I know that doesn't look like a little bit, but it's not a lot. I'm gonna take that much, rub it on my hands first, and then just go through the wig, get it all over. Cause I'm doing this so that way I can tame the frizziness of it just a little bit. And I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of wrapping lotion. I'm saying wrapping lotion, this is mousse. I'm gonna go in with some mousse. I'm saying all the wrong names, but I'm going in with some mousse and just gonna place that on the hair. See, now it's looking a little bit more together. All right, y'all, this is how everything came out. I am so in love with this look. Like, y'all, I did not think it was gonna come out this bomb, but I'm definitely like feeling it. I may actually go out tonight. Like, I didn't really want to at first, but I don't know, I kind of feeling it. I don't know, I might, I don't know. We'll see. But y'all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. And if you do try this look out yourself, please do not forget to tag me in your post. I will link all my social handles down below in the description box. As well, I am going to list the lip gloss, and I'm going to try to find the wig and the lashes, of course. I'm going to link those all in the description box as well. But also, I do want to wish everybody a happy Halloween. I hope you all are safe out there tonight and enjoy yourselves. And also, again, shout out to my breast cancer survivors and thrivers, and those of you that are still fighting in that battle, you know, shout out to y'all. And also, you know, definitely, you know, share this information with somebody else. Do your research, because you guys, breast cancer is not just a women problem, it's also a men problem too. You know, according to the, I think it's, what is it? Oh, according to the National Breast Cancer Association, 1 out of 8 women are going to develop breast cancer, and even 1 out of 1,000 men will develop it as well. So definitely, you know, you guys need to take this issue very seriously. Get those checkups, do those self-examinations. You know, don't be afraid to go to the doctor and get checked out. But that's all that I have to say about this. I hope you all enjoyed this video and like this look. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.